Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to apply for international driving license online in UK. The first step is to find an online service that provides IDPs. These services such as IDP Nation or International Drivers Association operate online and allow for a quick digital application. Step 2. Enter your personal and driving license details. Now on the website you choose, you'll need to fill out a form with your personal information exactly as it appears on your UK driving license. This includes your first name, date of birth, contact details, and country of birth. Step 3. Upload your documents. Now to complete your application, you'll need to upload digital copies of 3 things. A passport style photo, a picture of the front and back of your driving license, and an electronic signature. Make sure these images are clear and high quality. Step 4. Specify your travel plans and permit duration. Now the application will ask you which countries you plan to visit and for how long you need the IDP to be valid, typically 1, 2, or 3 years. You'll also choose between a digital-only permit or a physical card. Step 5. Review and make payments. Now, once you've entered all your information, do take a moment to review everything for accuracy. If you're satisfied, proceed to the payment page. These services usually accept various payment options like credit card or PayPal. And the final 6th step, you'll receive your IDP. Now, after your application is approved, which can happen very quickly, you'll receive a confirmation email. Your digital IDP will be sent to you and the physical card will be shipped to your address if you choose that option. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to apply for international driving license online in the UK.